Hello, and I wanted to show everyone how easy it is to use Visla to create videos for your class. So I do have the premium version of Visla. All I do is hit create video, and then I start describing the idea that I want. So I would like a short video on teaching students how to conduct a fraud examination. And then you can keep it simple, you can keep it easy, and all you have to do is hit generate video. And what Visla does, it starts creating your video. Since I do have the premium version, I get the access to like premium stock library and premium scenes and videos. And it does take a few minutes to create, but once it starts generating, so after a few minutes, what you have here is that it's actually created for you a video, and it even gives you the entire script. And so then what you can do, it gives you that video, and then you see it gave me a 7-minute video here and the entire script. And once I start playing it a little bit, you'll see it.
Welcome to our in-depth exploration of fraud examination. As we initiate this journey, we delve into the essence of fraud.
And here what you can do is you can actually take your voice and put it over this video and use it. And you can also change, you can edit it, and you can change any of the scenes as well. And so here you see if you don't like this scene or if you don't like these scenes, you can add or subtract from them. But it took about maybe a couple of minutes to create a 7-minute video with transcription. And basically I can change any pieces of this and go ahead and create my own video. So I hope this helps.